Welcome to Case Study Series in Service Management. Case Study by Skilled MBA B-Quik has established itself as a leader in Thailand's automotive service industry by focusing on exceptional customer service. Their strategy includes efficient service delivery, a wide range of automotive products, and a strong brand presence. This approach has set them apart in a competitive market, emphasizing the importance of customer satisfaction as a key differentiator. Thailand's automotive market is booming, driven by essential car ownership. Service providers face fierce competition, making customer service the ultimate differentiator. Companies must excel in service quality to stand out, as consumers increasingly prioritize exceptional experiences over mere technical expertise. B-Quik stands as a leading auto service chain in Thailand, offering more than just car repairs. Operating in a fragmented market with price-sensitive customers, B-Quik has navigated a trust deficit in the industry, establishing itself as a reliable service provider. The Rater framework enhances service quality through 5 dimensions. Reliability ensures consistent service delivery. Assurance builds customer trust. Tangibles focus on the quality of physical evidence. Empathy involves understanding customer needs. And responsiveness emphasizes speed and willingness to help. These elements are crucial for assessing and improving service quality metrics. The Rater framework helps assess service quality through reliability, assurance, tangibles, empathy, and responsiveness. Applying these metrics ensures consistent service delivery. Leadership and training are crucial for designing effective services. Evaluating strategic trade-offs, such as acquiring new customers versus increasing wallet share, is essential for optimizing service quality and business growth. Service leadership requires a clear vision from top management, fostering a customer-centric culture. Performance metrics should be directly tied to service quality, ensuring alignment with organizational goals. This approach enhances accountability and drives continuous improvement, setting a strong foundation for staff training excellence. Staff training excellence is pivotal. Technical training covers the latest diagnostic techniques, multi-brand expertise, and quality assurance protocols. Service training focuses on effective customer communication, standardized service scripts, and efficient problem resolution. These elements ensure staff are well equipped to deliver exceptional service, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Service design innovations enhance customer experience through effective queue management, offering transparent wait times and repairs to build trust. Digital integration ensures a seamless booking experience, streamlining operations, and improving customer satisfaction. These innovations are crucial for maintaining service excellence and fostering brand loyalty in a competitive market. B-Quik maintains quality across locations by implementing standardized procedures and rigorous training. Brand loyalty is driven by exceptional customer service and reliable repairs. B-Quik differentiates itself from global players and local garages through competitive pricing, strategic location choices, and a focus on customer convenience. B-Quik faces growth challenges in maintaining quality, staffing, and brand consistency. Rapid expansion requires robust training programs to ensure service excellence. Consistent brand messaging across locations is crucial. Strategic market analysis helps identify opportunities while preserving the service promise. Addressing these challenges is vital for sustainable growth and competitive advantage. B-Quik employs real-time feedback systems, including post-service surveys, mobile app ratings, and social media monitoring. They adhere to a 48-hour response policy, ensuring swift service recovery and continuous improvement. This proactive approach enhances customer satisfaction and trust, reinforcing their commitment to quality service. B-Quik commands a 30% price premium over independent garages, justified by superior service quality. Customers willingly pay for this enhanced experience. With a 15-minute service speed, B-Quik significantly reduces wait times, outperforming industry averages. Additionally, 90% customer trust, as evidenced by satisfaction surveys, underscores B-Quik's commitment to reliability and excellence. B-Quik's competitive differentiation is evident in its trust score, price rating, and speed rating. With a high trust score, customers prioritize reliability over cost. The price rating reflects a premium justified by superior service. Speed rating highlights efficiency, ensuring minimal wait times. These factors collectively enhance B-Quik's market position, emphasizing service excellence and customer satisfaction. Service excellence is crucial for competitive advantage in automotive services. Building customer trust is more impactful than competitive pricing. Aligning operations with customer experience is essential. Scaling operations demands robust systems and effective leadership to maintain service quality and customer satisfaction. Thank you. And in the automotive service industry, achieving service excellence is crucial for gaining a competitive edge. Customer trust often outweighs price considerations, emphasizing the need for operations and customer experience to be in sync. Scaling operations effectively requires robust systems and strong leadership to ensure consistent service quality and customer satisfaction.